How to use an escalation clause. I love the escalation clause because it's a tool that many agents don't even know about. When you're working with a buyer in a multiple offer scenario, that's when you want to use your escalation clause. And this is how it works, okay? You have a buyer and they submit an offer with the escalation clause that will state that they are willing to pay a certain amount over any competing offer. The clause will usually include a cap, which is the maximum amount the buyer is willing to pay. The escalation clause then requires the seller to provide the proof of the competing offer before the escalation takes place. This is going to prevent the seller from artificially inflating the price. Let's say there is a home listed for $1 million and my buyer offers $1.010 million, and I include the escalation clause willing to go up to $1.050 million in increments of $5,000 over any competing offer. If another buyer comes along offering $1.015 million, then my buyer's clause would automatically raise my offer to $1.020 million. So this is a great tool for a buyer's agent to take advantage of. And it allows your buyer to remain competitive in a multiple offer situation, showing the seller that the buyer is serious about purchasing the property.